All right there, boys and girls. Here we are, day 12 of our February daily math. Number 1 says draw a hexagon. And then it says how many sides. So, you know, I like saying this, and I do it a lot. We're going to go back to kindergarten, okay? Back to kindergarten means we get to play with blocks again. Remember how cool that was? One of my favorite things, always playing with those blocks, okay? So here we go. Remember that one? Or these? You guys remember putting all these around the yellow one and we'd make a flower with them? Or we could put them together to make a match and they'd be the same thing. Right? Well, this is a hexagon. You remember what this is called? Yeah, that is a trapezoid. All right. Yellow hexagon. Okay, the yellow block. So how many sides are on that? How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and there we are. So to make the hexagon, I think that's going to be too big. You know what? I got my little handy dandy guy right here, but I think even that one's too big too, isn't it? But that is a hexagon. 6 sides. Okay, now could you have made it like this? That's a hexagon too, right? So it doesn't have to be the perfect hexagon or anything like that. But know that these are some options that we have. All right, number 2. How much? Money. So quarter is 25 cents and the dimes are 10. So we're going to start at 25 and let's count by tens from 25. So start at 25, 35, 45. Now it's 45 cents, right? You could also write it like this. Okay, you could do it that way too. It's still 45 cents, but we have to have the decimal point on there, okay? All right, number 3. Monica took monkey shines to music class today. The kids sang for 12 minutes. They played instruments for 18 minutes. How long was music class? Well, if we combine how long they sang and how long they played instruments, that would be the total for our music class, right? Okay, so we're going to take the 12 minutes and we're going to combine the 18 minutes. And what does that equal? Well, 2 plus 8 is 10. And 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. And it's already labeled minutes for us, so 30 minutes. All right, now we're going to count back by 5s. So 70, 65, 60, 55, 50, 45, 40, 35, 30, and 25. So every number ends in a 0 or a 5. So again, let's count up. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. All right, number 5, write this number in expanded form. Now, if we remember expanded form, it was 400 plus 20 plus 8. All right, make those corrections on there, boys and girls, and we'll see you tomorrow for day 13 of your daily math.